This past Wednesday, we said a final goodbye to a great man and a dear friend of ours, beloved by so many, Tim Russert. We all gathered at the Kennedy Center here in Washington for a beautiful memorial service celebrating his spectacular American life. And when it was over, we exited to a wonderful piece of music, a well-known rendition of Somewhere Over the Rainbow. It served as a reminder of Tim's great love of life.
I hear God. There's little Timmy Russert. You're in heaven now, Tim, where every day is Meet the Press. Welcome home.
His role was to be the citizen journalist, to speak for those with no voice, to hold public officials accountable, to fulfill the role that I have always thought is the highest calling of a citizen in this country, to be a patriot.
Dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby.
He touched all of us, if not with that big Made in Buffalo right paw of his that would come down on your shoulder through his friendship, through his mentoring. He was our partner.
And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true.
I see his face, I hear his laugh, I feel his joy, his absolute delight in the life God gave him. Timothy J. Russert, noble, honorable, intensely loyal.
Above the chimney top, that's where you find me.
I lost my heart to Timmy Russert the day I met him. And the entire time I knew him, he took care of it.
Birds fly, and the
You'd say this is all part of life. We have to move forward, lean on each other, and cherish all the good times, and live every day to its fullest. But live it with honor and integrity, and always reach down to help someone else up.
be where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top.
My dad was a force of nature, and now his own cycle in nature is complete. But his spirit lives on in everybody who loves their country, loves their family, loves their faith, and loves those Buffalo Bills. I love you, Dad, and in his words, let us all go get 'em.
And there, as if on cue, at the end of that sad and happy and sentimental service, there it was, the rainbow that broke out across the sky, all over Washington and for all to see.